1909 was the first year the United States ever produced the wheat cent penny that we all know too well. It's important to know they produced the wheat penny from 1909 all the way up until 1958 when they transitioned into the memorial cent back. Now this coin I have up on the screen right now sold for $117,500, all because of this small detail that you need to keep your eyes peeled for that could mean the difference of a lot of money. So let's hop into this coin. So it goes without saying that the grade or condition of the coin will dictate heavily the overall value of the coin. It's a good rule of thumb that the older your coin is, the better the condition it's in, the more money it will generally bring. Now you may notice on this coin, right under the date, you're going to see a small S mint mark. For the 1909 coin, that S mint mark can be very important. Now if your coin has that S mint mark, that means it was produced at the San Francisco Mint, and if it does not, that means that it was produced at the Philadelphia Mint. Now why is this important? Well, for the most part, San Francisco will mint less coins on average than the Philadelphia Mint. Less coins produced means more demand for this coin. This one was graded by PCGS as a mint state 67 red, with the highest achievable grade being 70. Now you heard me just say red. Well, these coins can come either red, red-brown, or brown, depending on multiple factors like environment conditions and the type of planchet the coin was struck on. And by planchet, I just mean piece of metal. Now, most of the time, red coins bring more value than the brown coins, but that's not always the case. Now, keep your eyes peeled for this on the back bottom center of the coin, because this is what allowed it to sell for so much money. So this is a 1909 SVDB coin. Now, VDB stands for Victor David Brenner. He's the initial engraver and designer of this coin. So what happened was they produced a lot of these coins before they decided that the VDB on the back was too obstructive to the overall appearance of the coin, and they wanted to remove it. So they stopped producing coins with VDB on the back, just like this one. Because of that, there's not many of these coins out there. Now look at this coin that sold for $258,500. I'm going to keep it very brief, but this one does not have the S underneath the 1909. That means this coin was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. This one does have the VDB on the back. This one was graded by PCGS at a 67 plus red and brown. So this one is right in between the red and the brown designation, as you see on the diagram above. This one also has the CAC gold label, which is another third party that will put a sticker on the holder if they think the coin is really nice. Typically, you're going to see a green sticker, but on this case, you have a gold sticker, which means the coin is really nice for the grade and it could possibly get a higher grade. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $258,500. YouTube is saying that if you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the video they recommend up above. So click on that video and I'll see you inside.